In this video, you'll learn how to lock the time zone in Calendly. By following these steps, you will ensure that your scheduling remains consistent regardless of the time zone of your invitees. Begin by navigating to calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to access your scheduling settings. This can usually be found in the top menu bar. Clicking on this will direct you to your scheduling dashboard. Next, locate and click the Create button. This option is typically positioned prominently on the dashboard, allowing you to initiate the process of setting up a new event. After clicking Create, a new event type editor will appear on your screen. After that, click on the title section of your event, where you can set the duration. This area is usually labeled clearly, allowing you to enter the name and length of your meeting. Make sure to fill in both fields with the appropriate information before moving on. Once this is complete, proceed to click on the location section. This option is essential for defining where your meeting will take place, whether in person or via a digital platform. Selecting this will allow you to choose the desired location for your event. Following that, you will need to click on the availability option. This section enables you to set the times you're available for meetings. It is important to establish this to ensure that your invitees can select suitable times. Next, click on the Create button to finalize your event setup. This action will save the details you have so far and prepare you for the next steps in configuring your event. Now, locate and click on the time zone option. This is crucial for locking your specified time zone for the meeting. Selecting this option will open a menu where you can choose the time zone that suits your needs. After this, click on the time zone labeled Central Time, US and Canada. This selection will ensure that all meeting times are displayed in this specific time zone, regardless of the location of your invitees. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to confirm your selections. This step is important as it ensures that all your settings, including the locked time zone, are saved properly. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.